bail or bond terms. Your Honor, in closing, I must mention, Your Honor, we are living in a new constitutional dispensation. And I am sorry and I regret, Your Honor.
I hope you are not one of those who trust me.
Yes. We have had the misfortune of people living with hangovers of the previous constitutional regime. A regime that did not even entertain the thought of a person accused of murder being released on bail. So that, Your Honor, looking at the current constitutional dispensation, we should not even be astonished or surprised by any arrangements or efforts being made by the state suggesting that they will plan to charge him for murder or for whatever offense that is there under law. Because in the name of the Kenyan Constitution, all persons, regardless of the offense they are charged with, have a constitutional entitlement of bail. And Your Honor, I close by urging the court with humility, Your Honor, consider setting this innocent man free and give them the enough time that they require to complete the investigation. Nothing will change even after the investigations are concluded. Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, of interest is the application that was initially brought before you. Just to point out, it was brought under Porter. In such, you know, we sought for time. We have again come to seek for more time. You know, the court found it fit to grant us time in the first instance on reasons that were well canvassed. Today, Your Honor, we've stated clearly, indeed, there is change of circumstances. There are new emerging issues that if time is not allowed to the investigators, Your Honor, we will not achieve justice for the man before you, for the victims. Your Honor, we are not talking of 2 people. We are talking of 100 plus.
Your Honor, the state is such a bureaucracy that knows they are only to respond on questions of law. I wouldn't want to teach anybody that. Purely a rejoinder on questions of law.
We have a right to respond on issues of law and any other issues that came up during the response. Thank you for the question. Any issues that you brought up during the response, they have a right to respond. Any new issue that came up during the responses.
Thank you, Your Honor, for that guidance. And that is the reason why, extensively, the defense used certain words, which, Your Honor, I found them very entertaining to the crowd, to say persecution, and again, to say prosecution. You know, there is nothing in law, as we appear before you, that we can say we are persecuting anyone. It is in the interest of everyone, including the state and the defense, to allow the prosecution together with the